Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by laying out all ingredients so you can work efficiently. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup ketchup, and 2 tablespoons sweet pickle relish create the base flavor. Add 1 tsp Worcestershire sauce for depth, 1 tsp yellow mustard for tang, and 1/2 tsp onion powder plus a pinch of salt to season. Measure precisely to balance sweet and savory. This batch yields about 1 cup of dip, enough for 4 to 6 people, and it improves after refrigerating for at least 30 minutes. Combine the base ingredients in a medium bowl and whisk vigorously until the mixture is smooth and uniform in texture. Taste and adjust. If too sweet, add 1 tsp lemon juice. If too tart, add 1 tsp sugar. And if you want heat, stir in 1 tsp hot sauce. For texture, fold in 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion or 1 tablespoon minced dill pickle. These small additions change character quickly, so adjust in 1/4 teaspoon increments until the dip tastes balanced for your burger or serve this burger dip chilled as a spread on buns or as a dip for fries and 3. 5-inch sliders. Spoon into a small bowl and garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or chopped chives. Store leftovers in an airtight container, labeled with the date, in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Always re-whisk before serving to recombine separated oils. If the dip develops an off smell, discoloration, or mold, discard immediately to protect food safety and avoid tasting if unsure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.